Hello guys, I'm Saleh Hashemi, and in this video I will be talking about ChatGPT. You may have heard about GPT recently. It's a chatbot from OpenAI that you can interact with. You can send it messages and it will respond to you. This can be applied in a variety of fields. It's even been used to write articles on various topics and has impressed many people. In this video, I want to give you a first impression of this robot, and I'm using it for the first time, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Okay, let's see what we can do with it. Okay, at first, I'm going to write here, tell me about Laravel, and let's see what will happen. And it has a relatively high speed and responds quickly. You can see that it's writing information for us here. You might say, if you write this in Google, it will give you the same information, but you must say that it's really different. It's amazing. Now, if we go further with a few examples, you will definitely confirm this. For example, if I ask it to explain the Laravel framework, is Laravel a good framework? It will give me a series of explanations. And you see what's happening here. We have some of the key benefits of Laravel. And yes. And at last, we have a conclusion here. Okay, let's search this part of the text on the internet, and you can see that it does not exist on the internet, and it's generated by OpenAI and ChatGPT by itself. It's interesting to note that its responses are similar to articles, which means that we can even publish them on our website. Now let's ask it to write some code. For example, let's connect to the database in Laravel. How can I make a connection to DB with Laravel? I hope it will give a correct answer. Of course it will. As you can see, it gives us a complete explanation of how to do this and how to connect to database in Laravel, including the syntax. Again, I want to check this text in Laravel documentation, and you can see that we cannot find that information exactly in the Laravel documentation. So it's something that was generated by the robot itself. It's amazing. I can say that it's amazing that it can also write code for us. Okay. Now let's go further, and I want to ask it, how can I implement repository design pattern in Laravel? And let's see what will happen. Okay, some information about the design pattern itself, repository design pattern, and yes, it's going to give us a sample in Laravel, and it gave us a complete example with explanations about how to implement repository design pattern in Laravel. Of course, it's amazing. You can also change the sample if you want to have samples in other topics. You can ask ChatGPT to give you other samples and piece of codes. Here it's about a post repository, and you can give more information, and you can ask ChatGPT to enhance each part of this code. Okay, now I'm going to ask it some more complex questions. For example, how can I write a payment package for Laravel? Okay, it's responding to write a payment package for Laravel. You will need to follow these steps, and you can see that it gave us these steps, and you can ask ChatGPT to give you more information about each step. Anyway, we have the steps that we need to take. It's important to note that it doesn't always give us complete code, but if we ask it to write complete code for us, it will do it. How can I calculate the average score of students in a class with Laravel's query builder? Again, it's amazing. Yeah, gave us some information and piece of code also. Okay, finally I can say that ChatGPT is a powerful and impressive language model that can be used for a variety of tasks, as seen in this video. It can generate code, explanations, and articles in very efficient and quick way. However, it's not perfect and cannot understand every question, but it is still a very promising tool. I hope this video has been informative and helpful, and thank you for watching this video. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.